with the gradient. You can use the gradient. Let me change this here. I'm going to choose this color, like a darker gray, and then choose another shade of gray. Or if you want to be colorful, you can do that as well. And we'll see how that looks in the front end. Matter of fact, we'll see how that looks. I'm going to switch. Play with whatever colors that you want to put on the front end. And once we get there, we are going to see if that works or if that doesn't work. So for now, I'm just using these colors and seeing how that goes. Okay, so I got those two colors. I'm going to go to enable the shape because I really love those shapes. Let's see, what can we put? Cloud opacity, and do this. No, bring it front. Let's do the same thing for the bottom and cloud opacity. So let's click on apply, and let's click on save, and we're going to see what we've got yet at this point. So right now, that's what we have. You know, nothing is really shown there, but that's okay. So, but if you notice, we have the menu items here, the men's, women's, music, and so on and so forth. So let's go back here, and we are going to start adding items now. So let's start off by adding an image. Click on this plus sign here. Just go to an image, and then click on the image here. And we're going to choose one of these here. So choose the women, and then click on. You can either make the image linkable so someone can be able to click on there. So we're going to do that in just a minute. But for now, let me just click on, just leave this here as apply. And I'm just going to clone this and drag it over. The reason I'm cloning it because I just have to change the image on each one. So after I have the image here, click on the edit, and I just have to change it to that, and then save. Same thing for the next one. Change it to that, and insert, save, change it to the last one. Change it to that, and insert, and save. So let's click on save now, and we're going to take a look on the front end to see what we've got. So when you go on the front end, let's refresh this. So now we have this 4 categories here that people can be able to choose. And once again, the design for this, feel free to design it however you want it to be. I just put this here to give an idea of the possibilities for this. So we have this 4 here. So let's go back now, and we are going to link these. So first, let's go over to the women. This is the menu we created for it. So just copy this link. And I'm going to scroll down, and where it says link, just insert it. Open up in the same window. Do the same thing for, so before we move on, first click on this again, and just going to type in here women's. And the reason I'm doing that because I just want to know exactly on the back end what category that is, and I can do the same thing too for hair. Women's. And then the next one is electronics, and do the same thing, electronics. And I want to link this electronics to the electronics page. So I'm just going to copy that, go over back here, and just insert the link. And we're going to do the same thing too for this one. This electronics, the other one was music. Just got to change that. So this electronics. And put the link here for electronics. And I got to come back here to change this one to music. Got those confused. So music, we got to get the link for the music here. Just copy. It's a very simple process. And let's find here, change that, apply. And then finally, let's go back here to this one. This is the men's. And grab the link for the men's as well. Let's copy here And let's go over to this one and put it there.